Hi, I'm Carrie from Dendriad Art and Presswood Design, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a flower of life motif. So what you'll need is an A5 sheet of paper or card, and that's 148mm by 210mm, a pencil, a fineliner pen, a rubber, a pair of compasses and a ruler. So we're going to start off by finding the centre of our piece of paper. So to do that, just put your ruler from corner to corner and then draw a little cross mark in the centre. And then I have my pair of compasses set to 2 centimetres, and we're going to draw sets of circles starting from this centre point. If you can, a good tip is to have your pencil as sharp as you possibly can on your pair of compasses, because we're drawing lots of circles and drawing from the intersections of those circles, you really need as accurate a point as possible, because any inaccuracies will actually increase as you go around the circle. So you'll see what I mean in a moment. So put your point of the compass into the centre and draw your first circle. And then I'm just going to rub out that cross mark now, because we don't need that, and don't want any extra information on the page. Right, so we're going to start off drawing 6 different circles around the edge of this circle. So put your point of your compass at the top and draw your first circle. You're leaving it at exactly the same width as you had before. So, and now what you want to do is work to the intersection. So where those 2 circles intersect, put your point in as accurately as you can in the centre and draw another circle. And then working from the intersections each time, just put your compass in and draw your next set of circles, and the next one, and just work your way around until you've got 6 circles. So this is going to be our final one. And there we have 6 circles. So you see where my compass jumped and had that little mistake. That's fine, just rub that out. There we go. See, nobody's perfect. So now what we're going to do is put in another row of circles all the way around. And what I like to do, just because it does get a bit confusing, especially if you're doing it for the first time, where you've got this large intersection up here, so it's quite a shallow curve and another shallow curve, and you've got an intersection here. I'm just going to mark that with a little X, and I'm going to go all the way around where I've got that same intersection and just mark it with an X, so I know which intersection to put the point of my compass on as I'm going around. Now we're actually going to do this 2 times, but you'll see what I mean in a moment. So put, again, point of your compass where the first X is and draw your next set of circles. So again, here's the next X, compass in, and just continue that all the way around. So we've done each one of the X's. And that's the final one. And now we're going to put in another set of circles, and now you can see that the intersection here at the top of a petal, so you can see this petal shape here, there's a little intersection at the top. So again, I'm going to mark those. So I'm going to put in a circle this time just to make that different. So here's a petal and an intersection. Put a little circle in. Here's a petal. I'll just go around to all of those. And that's where my next set of circles is going to come from. So again, put your pointer in and work around. And that's all the circles that we're going to draw. Now we just have to finish off putting the petals in. So you can see that these outer circles don't have the 6 petals in, so we're going to pop those in. Start off from this intersection here. And now you're going to take your compass point from the top, so from here, and you're going to swing it round until it reaches the edge again. So from the top here, until it'll stop where it reaches that edge, which is here. So where the line reaches the edge, that's where you're going to put your compass in the next time. And just do that same movement. So the line reaches the edge here. So now I'm going to put my point in there. Do that again. Reaches the edge here, so I'm going to put my point in there. Do it again. So just continue that all the way around. So that's all the flowers and all the petals drawn in. The last thing we need to do as far as the petals go is just put in the outer edge petals, and we're going to do that just freehand. So just repeat that same curve that you've got in a petal, just repeat it here. So we've got that outer curve there, and just take the repeat inside like so. And just go all the way around, just doing that same movement all the way around. And then finally we're going to add an outer circle. So whatever the diameter or the radius was that you set your pair of compasses to first of all, you need to multiply that by 3. So this first one was 2 centimeters. So I'm using a 6 centimeter radius now. Just pop that in the center and draw a circle around. And that outlines everything, and then you can just pull that out a little bit just to get a little double line, so you've got a border all the way around. So that's your flower of life drawn. So all you need to do then is just take your Fineliner pen and outline it, and you'll end up with your standard flower of life like that. Now I'm going to do another separate video that will show you a few different ideas of using the flower of life and playing with the design a little bit. So come back for that, or look for it on my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Feel free to tag me with your flower of life designs on Instagram. I'll put the details below. Thanks a lot. Bye.